Hello again and welcome to TriMech Video Tech Tips. Today we're going to continue our previous video and discover a new option to create a walkthrough animation. What we can see on the screen is an assembly from which we want to create a video and a sketch that is going to define the camera path of the walkthrough animation. First, we will click on the Motion Study tab. Then right-click on Lights, Camera, and Scene and add a new camera. We can observe that our screen has been divided into two sections. On the left is our camera's position and assembly. Let's fix it by hitting the F key on our keyboard. Now, this will fit our assembly and our camera on the screen. Moreover, the right section shows us what the camera is currently viewing. Additionally, a new options panel has appeared on our left. In this panel, we will set up our camera settings. First, let's select the target point of our camera. In this case, it will be the left side of our assembly. Now, let's set up the initial position of our camera. In this case, this will be the first point of our sketch. We can corroborate that the camera is following the sketch path by moving the wheel from 0 to 100. Since we want the camera to remain parallel to the floor, we'll keep the camera rotation at 0. Finally, we will fix the field of view and make sure that our camera covers our whole assembly. Now we're just going to accept these settings. We will now define the final position of our camera. To do this, I'm going to move the time key from 0 to 10 seconds. Now, I'll reopen the camera settings and define my target point and my final position. In this case, it will be the right side of my assembly. And the end of my sketch. And accept these settings. Finally, let's select our camera view and hit play. Here we have a preview of our animation and we can see how the camera is following the selected path. We can always go ahead and save this animation and use it for any type of content or media that we want to create from our assemblies. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it and please follow us for more TriMech Video Tech Tips.